鏡の前ピタッと並ばされてこれが永遠だって勝手に決められて柔らかい声出せるけれど返事は求められて変の宿りを結んで可愛くし
Everyone, this is Camille. So it's been a while since my last vlog, literally like 3 years ago na ata, and it was about my board exam journey for medtech. And surprise long story short, ayan, med student tayo ngayon. It's my first year in med, and the last 2 years after kong makuha yung lisensya ko, I was able to practice my profession for 2 years. Wala lang, isipan ko lang magsingit ang intro kasi ang weird naman kung bigla na lang akong mag-vlog. Para naman may ano tayo, may continuity. Ayun, I just really wanted to introduce myself once again. Kasi I've decided that habang first year med pa ako, I wanted to film a lot of clips and really document my journey. Kasi wala lang, ang saya lang na meron kong mababalikan. Kunti pa lang yung vlogs na na-upload ko here on YouTube, pero marami akong clips or like short form videos na naka-upload sa TikTok. So, ayun, follow nyo na rin ako. Etong YouTube naman, it's just my way of coping. Bye guys! Let's skip na dun sa pinaka-first day na nag-film ako for this vlog. Tastes like beans rice or Carla and holding coffee. Thinking of buying my dogs treats. Balayage. Ay, si Bangbang pa rin nasa loob. Hi, Connors! Ay, sus. Ay, punta kay mama, oh. Kay mama, oh, no.
Halika kay mama.
Sino ikaw?
Ito mo na, anak.
Bigyan mo. Hindi ko man yan kilala. After Matt from picking up the dogs from the groomers, namin ko pa rin balahibo sa damit. We shall change lang siguro ng outfit with something simpler. Tapos, punta tayo sa Santolan. Tapos isa pong nuggets with rice.
For 5 minutes po.
Okay lang po. It's 8:10 a.m. Masyado akong nag-enjoy mag-edit. At least tapos na ako dyan. So, yay! Over. I gotta sleep. Girl, those eyeballs. No need time to sleep. So, don't mind na animal print ako na duster. This is my favorite pambahay. That means I am in my comfy vibe. Comfy vibe! Anyway, sige. Magpa-practice ako ng OSPE. So, yung OSPE is technically OSCE, pero pinalitan na yung clinical sa physical. Binibigay sa amin yung competency checklist, so we know how we are graded. So, syempre mag-rebase ako dyan para ma-make sure ko na nagawa ko ang everything. Nagawa ko na rin yung aking script. Medyo mahaba siya actually. Ang aking dilemma is, this is on Tuesday na. So, I want to get this done right now. And then, babalikan ko na siya Monday night. Okay, on inspection, the patient is sitting comfortably, not in respiratory distress. Currently, I am palpating the posterior chest for any tenderness, crepitus, masses, edema, or lesions. Okay, inhale deeply for me, please. Okay, both sides expand symmetrically. Hi everyone, good morning. So currently it's October 26, 8 a.m. and I am so proud of myself kasi I randomly fixed my body clock. Kasi you could notice sa mga previous videos ko, nung umaga na talaga ako kakaaral kasi hapon na ako nakaka-start. Pa kaya ngayon, sobrang energetic ng pakiramdam ko. And I'm already so happy kasi ramdam ko magiging productive ako today.
lahat. Sinend mo. Sorry.
Hindi ako.
Kasi ako, baka na eh. Nag-practice.
Wala kasi empathy.
Ang hirap kasi mag-ano.
Ang
Ayoko dito sa doktor na. Pwede mag-iba. Hindi mo. Ito na yun. Sige, Lord. Grabe naman yung doktor.
Making sure it's snug against your skin. Popping the radial close. And then quickly you feel
Saan?
this is a system of breathing.
Ako din. So,
Napil mo? Oo. Di ba? Wala.
So yung first,
Oo nga.
naramdaman mo din?
Naramdaman ko sa 80 saka sa 120. Diba? Pero kasi nakalagay nga dito.
Ang
So baka sabihan na naman tayo nangungulay. Oo nga.
Pero nakikita naman nila eh. Na, so, dapat ako na lang yung pasyente niyo para sure.
Para sure.
Pero sa araw na yun,
magbibihan tayong lahat.
sa araw na yun, magchichicharot ko.
Crazy.
Anyways, tapos na ako mag-EPA or mag-OSPE. And now, I'm gonna try to study for biochem. Kasi marami na akong topics na need habulin here. Hindi naman marami, isang topic lang naman. Pero mamayang gabi na lang ako mag-e-ear. Or pwede nang mag-ear right now. Biochem or anatomy? Biochem or anatomy? Anatomy na yung tomorrow. Anyways, turn ako. Ay, hindi ba may edad lang yun?
Diba, pwede naman paano?
Hindi bigyan na. Kaya para meron akong content.
Pwede naman pa-ECG nang walang problema. Ano? Tama din po prevention. Di ba lagi yung sinasabi? Prevention is better than
Ganun na ganun. Eh yung
Ano po? Liempo with rice. Tapos isang take-out na sinigang na salad.
Mami, yung sinigang mo, may ano yun? May rice?
Wala po.
About biochemistry. So, I'm going to ask question and whoever